Let's try Harry Potter snacks. Chocolate frog. Herpo the fowl. Whoa, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna start from the foot. The feet are gone. 8 out of 10. Birdie Bots, every flavor of beans. Let's try the yellow. Lemon. Oh, that's good. That's a 10 out of 10. Black. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be, or if it's supposed to be good or not. 7 out of 10. White. Ugh. Spoiled milk, that's disgusting. Let's wash it down with some butterbeer. So excited. Look at that. Butterbeer mug. Cheers. Oh, tastes almost like really sweet root beer. Solid 9 out of 10. All of these were incredibly solid.